Welcome to Ride JBI. I'm JB. This video is Ricky Diaz riding at Cahuilla Creek Motocross Track on his 2022 Honda CRF 450R. We mounted up our JBI Suspension Show Up Pro Fork and JBI Suspension Show Up Pro Shock onto his bike about a month ago. Since then, Ricky has had a chance to ride at Fox Raceway, also at the Day in the Dirt at Glen Helen, and now today at Cahuilla Creek Motocross Track, which we will shortly see. We'll also do a follow-up video with Ricky Diaz where we get his thoughts on how the suspension performed. Overall, he was very pleased with the setting on the bike, and we'll get into more details of that in the video. For now, enjoy this raw footage of Ricky Diaz shredding it up at Cahuilla Creek.